Want to add or replace a key fob for your 2010-2015 Lincoln MKT? You can do it yourself. These MKT models use Ford's passive anti-theft system, PATS, which relies on smart key fobs for keyless entry and ignition. While dealerships charge $50 to $100 per fob to program, DIY methods are now readily available, saving you money. In this video, we'll show you how. Note that while the core procedures haven't changed since the vehicle's production, it's important to use reliable resources and genuine or high-quality aftermarket fobs to avoid security issues. Let's get right into how to do it. First, obtain a compatible key fob. Use OEM part numbers like 6L2Z-5K601AB and avoid cheap knockoffs for security. You'll need a working master key, the original key that came with your vehicle. Insert your master key into the ignition. Cycle it from off to on without starting the engine, then back to off quickly. This enters programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press any button on the new fob, typically lock or unlock. The vehicle should respond, indicating recognition. For additional fobs, repeat the button pressing process. The system auto-exits after 30 seconds. Avoid electromagnetic interference during programming. Consult your owner's manual or online forums for model-specific guidance. If you run into issues, an OBD2 scanner can diagnose problems. For complex cases or immobilizer triggers, visit a dealer. Always test the new fob to ensure it correctly locks, unlocks, and starts the vehicle after programming.